Hi, I'm Kaushal Patel with some relevant real estate news. Lawmakers, they're flipping the script on flippers. A new law targets flippers but could add complexity to traditional home sales. AB 968 is going into effect in July and will require sellers to disclose major repairs and improvements made to a home within 18 months of its sale. Sellers will have to disclose, among other things, a copy of any permit for any room additions, structural modifications, or repairs to the buyer. If you're looking for a new construction home, the final 4 neighborhoods in the Three Roots development in Sorrento Mesa are available to buy. The homes range in price from $900,000 to $1.2 million, single family and townhomes. Billion-dollar development includes 3 different home builders, Lennar, Shea, and Cal West. As of last month, almost half of the 1,800 homes of the development, which will be completed in 2026, have been sold. We are learning more about when construction of a Topgolf could get underway in San Diego. Topgolf has plans to build a 3-story facility with more than 100 hitting bays facing towards the downtown skyline. Topgolf would be the anchor of a wider entertainment district, which would include restaurants, bars, and event space between the airport and Harbor Drive, which could bring up to 1 million visitors to the district. Port of San Diego has been in negotiations with Topgolf and has proposed a 20-year lease with options to extend. Under a timeline announced recently, building could get underway next year once the environmental impact report is reviewed. Definitely never a dull moment in San Diego. Thanks so much for watching.